Life gets messy. Let the O-Cedar EasyWring Spin Mop and Bucket System help you get a deep clean easier than ever before. Its innovative hands-free wringing system lets you wring your mop with only the push of a pedal. The 100% microfiber mop head gets rid of all that dirt and grime. Whether you're short or tall, the handle adjusts from 33 to 51 inches. Great for all hard floor surfaces. To keep neat and tidy, the splash guard keeps potential splash and spray inside the bucket when wringing. The pivoting head allows you to get around and under furniture. Clean the hard-to-reach corners with ease with the unique triangular-shaped head. The EasyWring Spin Mop from O-Cedar. Give it a whirl. O-Cedar makes your life easier.